Hello, hello, hello. So today I want to introduce you to the latest My Best Hair Your Starter Kit. If you are unfamiliar with the My Best Hair Starter Kit, it is everything you need to start your best hair life. So it includes a satin bonnet, a satin scarf, and a satin scrunchie. And so the latest My Best Hair Starter Kit, it's called the Royal Flush, and it includes a navy in the navy bonnet, a royal flush scarf, and a navy satin scrunchie. So I like the My Best Hair Starter Kit because it includes those three items, and pretty much whatever your hair goals are, or like whatever your hair protection goals are, the My Best Hair Starter Kit is pretty much for you. So I like to give like the different options. So whether you want to use just the bonnet, pineapple, and do a bonnet, if you want to do all three, do the scrunchie, the bonnet, and the pineapple. If you want to use your scarf to cover your pillowcase and then use the bonnet, so you have like that protection against your skin, because you know sleeping on cotton does cause wrinkles and fine lines, and it sucks the moisture out of your skin. So if you want to use the scarf to cover your pillowcase, you can do that. I mean, the options are endless. If you want to go 1 week with the scarf, 1 week with the bonnet, and then, you know, like flip flop, so that way you can wash, because washing your treats is so important. Please start to wash your treats. It's so important. So yeah, so you could do that. I mean, there's so many different things you can do with the My Best Hair Starter Kit, and like I said, it comes with a bonnet, a scrunchie, and a scarf. And so again, the latest one is the Royal Flush My Best Hair Starter Kit, and it includes the Royal Flush satin scarf, in the navy satin bonnet, and it is a reversible. It is a reversible bonnet, as most of the bonnets are at Nptresstreats. So it's reversible and double lined, so it's very thick. And a matching scrunchie in medium size. So at Nptresstreats, I do sell several size scrunchies, but the scrunchie sizes that come with your My Best Hair Starter Kits and your bonnets is the medium size. So yeah, so that is it. I hope you like it, and have a great day.